This is a quick video of something that I've encountered a few times during working on the constellation project. Sometimes the Wikipedia page for a star would not have the correct right ascension and declination of the star. So I thought, why not make a video of how, if you have any doubt that this might be wrong, you can get the correct right ascension and declination of that particular astronomical object. So in this case, we have Microscopium constellation. In particular, I'm right now talking about Delta Microscopi star. So as you can see, for Delta Microscopi star, we have the right ascension 20 hours, 6 minutes and 01.1497 seconds. And from here, we can see that our delta is on 0, 1, 2, 3rd or 4th place in our array. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. These are the coordinates of Delta Microscopi. 20 hours, 6 minutes, 01.14597 seconds. This is correct. And negative 30, 07, 30.4290. This is also correct. But watch what happens when I run this. This is the constellation Microscopium. And if I open my figure, you can see that the Delta Microscopi star is like way beyond even the boundary of the Microscopium constellation. So most definitely something is wrong with the right ascension of the star. So what do we do now? We search for SIMBAD by identifier in Google. We open up this page. And from here we go down and pick either of these designations. I prefer the HD catalog, the Henry Draper catalog, but you can pick from HIP or HR, it will work. So here in SIMBAD, I will paste the identifier, submit the ID, and here I have Delta Microscopi. So it has a bunch of things going on for Delta Microscopi, but for my project I'm only interested in the right ascension and declination. So we can see that the RA and Dec for Delta Microscopi given by the Wikipedia page is 20.1.154.14597. However, we have here 21. So we will correct this 21.06.01.13803 and negative 30, 07, 30.5232. Okay, now if I run this, now we have our Delta Microscopi on the correct position. So this is how you can search for correct right ascension and declination for any astronomical object using the SIMBAD online portal. If you have any doubt that your Wikipedia page might not be giving you correct values. Thank you for watching.